Welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix try again later error in Instagram. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are getting the error try again later on your Instagram, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to open your Instagram. Guys, I will show you the error how it will come while using the Instagram. You can see here like option. If you continuously like dislike your any post, you will get this type of error. You just need to take this screenshot. You can see here below profile icon, just tap on the profile icon. In this you need to click on the top right side 3 line. After that you can see here settings, just tap on the settings. In this you need to tap on the account. Guys, in this you can see here security option, just tap on this. In this under login security you can see here first option password, just tap on the password. You can see here we sent a email to so and so email ID with a link to reset your password. Just click OK and you can reset your password from your email ID. After resetting the password, then go back. You can see here help option, just tap on the help. Here you can see report a problem, just tap on the report a problem. In this you can see third option report a problem, just tap on this. Here you need to type some of the matter. Hi Instagram team, from last 1 week or so and so date I am getting this type of problem, try again later, please fix this issue as soon as possible. After typing this type of matter, you need to upload a screenshot of the error what we have taken recently. Just tap on the gallery. You can see this was the screenshot of the error try again later. After uploading this screenshot, just tap on the submit button. Guys, after submitting this you have to wait for minimum 24 hours. After completion of this 24 hours, you have to uninstall your Instagram app and reinstall it from your Google Play Store. After reinstalling, log in your Instagram account and hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix try again later error in Instagram. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.